Namaskar. Today, the annual financial statement, that is called budget, has been presented by the finance minister. So, we are going to discuss about the things which will have an effect on the salaried class. There are small changes in the tax structures and other things that we will discuss. Main first thing is they have removed customs duty for import of certain medicines used for cancer treatment. This is long overdue. In fact, serious illness related things for which the medicines are not produced in India, we should completely remove duty on those things so that the cost is not unduly raised. Okay, that they have done, and for gold and other things, they have reduced the tax to 6% or something. And this solar panel and mobile phone related, there are some changes, small changes. Okay, short term gains, suppose those who are using stock market for their money investment, other things. So if you buy and sell stocks within a year, it is considered to be short term capital gain. Earlier it was taxed at 15%, which is now raised to 20%. And of course, long term capital gain up to more than 1 year. If you hold the shares for more than 1 year and then sell it, so it is considered to be long term capital gain. And this is for listed share only. I am not discussing about unlisted shares. For that, it is 2 years. And the minimum threshold, rather maximum threshold exempted is 1 lakh rupees profit in the long term capital gain. Now they have, and beyond 1 lakhs, the taxes were at 10%. Now they have made it 12.5%, and exemption limit for capital gains also in the financial assets only 1.25 lakhs. So up to 1 lakhs 25,000 there is no tax if it is long term capital gain. That is that you hold the share for more than 1 year and then sell it, and your earning is up to 1.25 lakhs. Profit is up to 1.25 lakhs. There will be no capital gain tax. Beyond that, it is 12.5% from the existing 10%. Short term, earlier it was, as I told you, 15%, has now been revised to 20%. Angel tax, these are startup related things. We'll, if required, we'll discuss separately. And the new tax regime in the personal income tax system, they have made some changes. First thing is, the standard deduction has been revised from 50,000 to 75,000. They are not told very clearly whether it is applicable only to new tax regime or for all the salaried class, that they are not told. But the way it is mentioned, we have to see the orders, let us see. But as of now, we will take it. Standard deduction for new tax regime is 75,000 rupees instead of 50,000. And earlier we know very well, up to 7 lakhs there was no tax. Now this adding this 75,000 standard deduction, so 7 lakh 75,000 income will make you pay no tax at all if you choose new tax regime. Okay, not only 7 lakh 75,000, for marginal adjustment we can add another some 27,000 or something like that. Otherwise, those who earn 7 lakh 76,000 end up in paying some 25,000 rupees extra. So that, to adjust that, marginal adjustment they will do. So with the marginal adjustment, the earning up to 8 lakhs 2,000, salary earning up to 8 lakhs 2,000 is exempt from income tax from this year onwards. So this is an important change they have made it, and they also changed the tax rates. 0 to 3 lakhs no tax, same as of last year. 3 to 7 lakhs instead of 6 lakhs 5%. 7 to 10 lakhs instead of 9 lakhs, 10%. 10 to 12 lakhs, earlier it was 9 to 12 lakhs, 10 to 12 lakhs it is 15%, 12 to 15 lakhs it is 20%. So beyond 15 lakhs it is 30%. So those who have income up to 15 lakhs, if they don't have housing loan interest, if they don't have huge payment of donations, PM relief fund and other things, lakhs of rupees, if they don't have special deduction for physically disabled person and other things, you don't need to think anything, straight away you go for new regime only. This is up to 15 lakhs earning, and especially up to 10 lakhs earning, you don't need to check anything, straight away you can go for new regime, which will give you even up to 10 lakhs. The tax is now going to be some 50,000 only, because up to 7 lakhs it is 20,000, 7 to 10, 10%, that is only 50,000 plus another 2,000 cess, 52,000 you will pay for 10 lakhs earning in the new regime. In fact, 10.75 lakhs, let us say, because 75,000 we have to reduce that. So 10 lakh 75,000 earning, you will be paying only 52,000 as income tax. So this is another important thing. So lower income group up to middle income group, let us say up to 15 lakh, this is really a bonanza. Higher level, anyway they have to pay fully that 30%. Beyond 15 lakhs income will make you liable for income tax at 30% plus 4% education cess and other things. So this is the important development. Any other changes? And another important point I forgot to tell you, for even private employees, now if pension fund is recovered up to 14% of the basic salary, basic salary, and D also you can take into account, that is exempt fully under new tax regime also, which was earlier only 50,000. So now if the private employee, government already it is exempted, in private also up to 14% of the basic pay plus DA, with all conditions they will give. There is another important change in the new tax regime of income tax. Other issues, any changes, anything, we will discuss in the next video. Namaskar.